guys, welcome back to Stephen Stacy Outdoors. And before I made this video, I forgot to make an intro. So what this video is about, it's me and my dad fixing my Ranger bass boat that had wiring issues. And well, not wiring issues, I had some rats and stuff like that get into my boat and chew a bunch of wires and stuff like that up, and we had to fix it because none of the electrical work would work. Like, none of my electronics would work. Everything down to my bilge pump would not work. So we had to get all that fixed up, and let's cue the now that you guys have seen that clip of us fixing the boat and everything else, there was just a lot of wiring issues, as I said before, and hopefully I'll have a boat video out for you guys in the next few days. Trying to catch bass as they're out deep, I'm guessing now, because I haven't had a chance to go out. They'll be out deeper instead of shallower right now, I'm guessing. So I don't know, it's all I get out there. So hopefully you guys like this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and even better if you could share it on Facebook or Instagram or whatever you guys do, whatever social media you use. Hope you guys have a good day, and have a good one.